Hi children, this is KTK. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to practice 12 creative questions on class 6 fractions. Already I have posted few videos on various topics. Please do check those videos also. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I am coming with new videos, you can watch with the notifications. We'll start the class now. First question, if 3 by 4 is equivalent to x by 20, then the value of x. Okay, it's missing. Your options are given like this. They mentioned equivalent. So how we are going to write 3 by 4 is equal to x by 20. Both these fractions are equal. Okay. First you should check where they gave both the values. Denominator. Here denominator 4 becomes 20. So what they have done here? They multiplied 5. 4 5s are 20. So this operation must be done with the numerator also, because both the fractions are what? Equal fractions. Whatever they have done with the denominator, same you should do with numerator also, using this clue. So 3 5s are what? 15. Therefore your answer for x value is 15. Question number 2. 5 plus 6 plus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 9 is equal to what? Your options are given like this. These kind of questions we are going to apply our LCM method. Okay, I am not going to do separately like addition and subtraction. Together we can solve. Okay, now check out the denominators. 6 3 9. 6 3 9. Here I will give you clue how to find the LCM in a simple way. Which is the largest number here? 9. Okay, so just write down 9 and then write down 9 table 18 and then write down 27 and it will so on. Okay, now what are the other denominators? 6 and 3 are other denominators. Now just to check, just can write like this: 6 and 3. This 9 will not come in 6 table, but it will come in 3 table. So I cannot use 9 as LCM. So next number check, it's 18. 18 comes in 6 table as well as 18 comes in 3 table. Therefore I can use this 18 as LCM. Again I'll explain. Take the greatest denominator table, okay, and check other two numbers are coming in the table or not. Okay, so here I need to change all the denominators as 18. I'm going to change all the denominators as 18. So how I can change all the denominators as 18? You need to check here. Because 6 multiply with 3 will give you 18. So same 3 you should multiply with the numerator also. Similarly, 3 multiply with 6 will make you 18. So same 6 you can multiply with numerator. 9 multiply with 2 will give you 18. Same 2 you are going to multiply with numerator also. Now these fractions, that is 5 by 6, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, they can be written as how? Just multiply the numbers which I gave you there. 5 3s are 15 divided by 6 3s are 18, and then second one 2 6 are 12 divided by 18, and third one 4 2s are 8 divided by 18. So by doing this I made all the fractions are like fractions with the common denominator 18. So this is the purpose I have multiplied the numbers with both the numerator and denominator. Okay, so now 18 common, solve the numerators. 15 plus 12 27, 27 minus 8 is 19. Okay, now 19 by 18 is improper fraction. I can write this as mixed fraction, 1 by 18. Okay, 19 by 18 we know in 19 one time is there, 18 then remainder 1. So 1 by 18, option D is your answer for second question. So using LCM method you can solve this one directly. Okay, no need to do addition separately and then subtraction separately. Clear? We'll go to third question now. How many times should 1 by 7 added to 1 by 7 so that the answer will be 2? So we need to adding 1 by 7 with 1 by 7. I need the answer 2. How many times I need to add? Whether it is 7 times or 10 times or 13 times or 20 times. This is the question. Okay. Now just to check how I am going to solve this question. I am going to add 1 by 7 with 1 by 7. Okay. How many times? How many times? I don't know how many times. So times means what operation? multiply operation. So if I'm going to take it as x, so x into, okay, because x represents how many times, how many times I'm going to add 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 to get 2. Okay, the given question I'm writing as a equation like this. How many times I need to find, how many times I need to add 1 by 7 with 1 by 7 to get the answer 2. Clear? Now what is 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7? Like fractions only, we can add the numerator. So 2 by 7 is equal to 2. Now I need only x value. I need only x value. So x is equal to 2 into this 2 by 7. I need to shift to right side. It will be reciprocal. Whenever one fraction moves to the opposite side of equation, it will be reciprocal. So 2 by 7 becomes 7 by 2. 2 got cancelled. So your answer is 7. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next question. If 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7 is equal to y by 21, then the value of y. So 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7 is equal to y by 21. So first you should find the left hand side answer. What is 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7? It is nothing but what? 6 by 7. In question what they gave? Y by 21. This sum is exactly same as your first question. 7 becomes 21. So what they have done? They have multiplied 3. So same multiplication 3 you should do with the numerator also. So 6 3s are what? 18. So it's a simple way. The only thing is we are doing some addition in the front. So 6 3s are 18. Your answer for fourth question is option A, 18. So fifth question is based upon divide. Minus 3 by 15 divided by 1 by minus 15. So you should know how to divide two fractions. But here they gave symbols also. So I'll tell you how to do. It's a very easy one. Whatever the question they are giving, just write it as it is, 1 by minus 15. The next step, you are going to keep the first fraction same. Keep the first fraction, whatever they are giving in the question, keep it same. Then write multiply symbol and find the reciprocal of second fraction. Reciprocal means upside down. Your numerator will be your denominator and denominator will be your numerator. Just interchange. So this will be what? Minus 15 divided by 1. Okay. Now just easy one. 15 I can cancel. Minus into minus, we know it is plus. So 3 ones are what? 3. So that's all the answer. So only thing is you are reciprocaling the second fraction. So divide means you should reciprocal the second fraction and start cancelling. Question number 5 answer is option D, 3. Question number 6. 5 by 8 multiply with 1 by 2 divided by 15 by 16. So this question involves both the operations multiply as well as divide. Just now I told you divide means what? The number should be reciprocal. Okay. So just to write down the question as it is, 5 by 8 into this 1 by 2 is given in terms of mixed fraction. You can convert it as improper. So what is 1 by 2? It is 3 by 2. Then multiply the symbol and 16 by 15. Okay, when I told you divide is given, you can reciprocal. Just to rotate the fraction upside down. 15 by 16 become 16 by 15. So if you solve this, you will get the answer. Okay, now start cancelling the numbers. I can cancel 2 with 16. How many times? 8 times. Again this 8 and 8 also got cancelled. Make sure that when you are cancelling, one number should be in denominator, another number should be in numerator. Okay. Now again this 3 I can cancel with the 15, right? So what will happen? 5 times. Again this 5 and 5 also you are getting cancelled. So all the numbers got cancelled. So your answer is 1. So question number 6, your answer is option C, 1. Now question number 7. 4 by 5 of 1 year. What is 4 by 5 of 1 year? We'll check the options. Okay, options are given in terms of days only. Okay, so we know that 1 year is equal to how many days in 1 year? In general we can write 365. They are asking 4 by 5 of 1 year. So 4 by 5 of means multiply 1 year. Just write it in terms of days. Okay, now you can cancel 5 with 365. Okay, how many times? In 36, how many 5 will be there? 7 5s are 35. Remainder 1 you can write in the middle. So 15, how many times? 3 times. So multiply the numerator now. 73 multiply with 4. 3 fours are 12, remaining 1, 7 fours are 28, 29. So your answer is 292 days. So whenever they are asking a fraction of 1 year means you check the options. Options are given in terms of days so that you convert the year into days, then multiply the given fraction. So instead of 4 by 5, they may give 3 by 5 also, or 1 by 5, any number they may give. So based upon that one you can cancel and find the answer. Question number 8. The product of 2 by 7, 14 by 10, 5 by 9. So three different fractions are given like that. Product means what symbol? Multiply symbol. Okay, so this question also based upon multiplication only. As usual you are going to get cancel the numbers. Okay, you can cancel in any way. So 2 10 how many times? 5 times. So 5 got cancelled. Now 7 14 I can cancel 2 times. Is there any other possibility to cancel? No. So numerator you have only 2, in denominator you have only 9. So answer for your 8th question is option C, 2 by 9. Question number 8. Question number 9. If 5 by 8 of a number is 75, then the number 5 by 8 of some number is 75. Okay, so I can take, let the number be x. Okay, let the number be x because I don't know the value. In this number 5 by 8 is 75. So how can I write that one? 5 by 8 of means what? Multiply x is equal to 75. So I am writing the statement as an equation. Okay, this number only I am making it as x. So 5 by 8 of x is 75. Try to understand. Now I told you already, whenever a fraction moves to the opposite side of equation, it will be what? Reciprocal. So 5 by 8 will become 8 by 5. Now start solving this. 5 75. How many times? We know it is 15 times. So 15 8s are 120. So your answer is 120 for this 9th question. We'll go to 10th question now. Which pair of fractions are equivalent? So we know how to find equivalent fractions, and also we should know how to verify the fractions are equivalent or not. Okay, there are two methods. One is you can cross multiply and check, and another one is you can reduce the numbers and check. Okay, if 9 by 15 is given there, so 9 and 15 I can cancel in 3 tables. So what you will get in the 3 times is 5 times. So 2 by 10 you can cancel in 2 table. So 1 time 5 time. So your option A, what are the numbers you are getting? 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. So they are not equal. Next option B, you can check 3 by 11 I cannot cancel. 15 and 33 I can cancel in 3 table. How many times? 5 times. And here 11 times. So in this case also you have 3 by 11 and 5 by 11. So option B also not your answer. Next 14 by 21. Shall I cancel in 7 table? What you will get? 2 by 3. Then 12 and 16 I can cancel in 6 table. You will get 2 by 3. Therefore your answer for 10th question is option C. Okay. We move on to question number 11. If the entire term is simplified, then the answer. This question looks a little bit lengthy. So I am going to solve first part by part. Okay. First inside the bracket I am going to solve. That is this one. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. You check the denominators. Denominators are different. So I am going to use cross multiplication method. 3 3s are 9. 4 1s are 4. Divided by 4 3s are 12. So what you will get? 5 by 12. Okay, I hope you know how to find cross multiply. So you should multiply this 3 here and then this 4 here and then denominators. 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4 and then 4 3s are 12. So whenever denominators are different, you can use this cross multiplication method. So first bracket we got the value 5 by 12. Okay, here the value is 5 by 12. Now this must be added with 5 by 8, right? So 5 by 8 plus 5 by 12. Okay, here also you can use cross multiplication method or changing the denominator method. So 8 and 12 I am going to change both the denominators as 24, because 24 is the least number which will come in both 8 table and 12 table. So what number I can multiply with the 8 to get 24? 3. So same 3 you can multiply with numerator also. Similarly, 12 multiply with 2 will give you 24. Same 2 you multiply with the numerator also. Okay. So 5 3s are 15 by 24. 5 2s are 10 by 24. So your denominator is 24. Numerator is 25. 15 plus 10, 25. So we solve this entire bracket. So this entire bracket value is 25 by 24. Now this should be subtracted from 1 by 3. Okay. So step by step I am explaining for your better understanding. So 25 by 24. This is what the question is reduced now. Now mixed fraction convert into improper. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 by 3 minus 25 by 24. Now you check the denominators again. 3 multiply with the 8 will give you 24. Same 8 must be multiplied with the numerator also. So 4 8s are 32 by 24 minus 25 by 24, which will give you the answer. 32 minus 24 is what? 7 by 24. So if you are solving this sum step by step carefully, then you will get the correct answer. So 11th question answer is option B, 7 by 24. Now we'll move on to the last question of this video. This is little bit different one. Find the x value if this is the expression. Okay, the question may be look complicated, but this is the simplest question. X plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, now I'm going to solve step by step. First you check 3 plus 1 by 4. That is from the bottom I am going to do the process. So first you solve this one, 3 plus 1 by 4. So you know how to solve this. Just cross multiply and add. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. Okay, 13 by 4. So now in this place you are going to write 13 by 4. Listen carefully. In this place we are going to write 13 by 4. So before that you should know what will happen when you have a fraction with the denominator 1. 1 by some fraction is nothing but its reciprocal. Okay, 1 by some fraction is nothing but what? Reciprocal. So this 13 by 4 will be 4 by 13. Will be 4 by 13. So here check carefully. In this term, that is 1 by 13 by 4 will be 4 by 13. So I am going to solve this denominator. 1 plus 4 by 13. Can you understand? The bracket is mentioned here. 1 plus this bracket term is 4 by 13. So again you can solve this. 13 ones are 13. 13 plus 4 what? 17. So 17 by 13. Clear? So now the entire denominator value is 17 by 13. So how we are going to write? 1 by 17 by 13, which is again the reciprocal 13 by 17. So the question I can write like this: 2 equal to x plus 13 by 17. 2 is equal to x plus 13 by 17. Now what is the x value? I told you already, you need to shift this fraction to opposite side. So how it will be? 2 minus 13 by 17, because this is given in terms of plus. See, you may ask me, in the previous question when I am shifting the fraction I reciprocal. Here I am not doing, because when the symbol is in multiplication the fraction will be reciprocal. Okay, but in the case of plus it will be minus only. Now again you can solve this in a simple way. 17 2s are what? 34 minus 13 by 17. So what is 34 minus 17? Just subtract 21 by 17. So answer for your last question is 21 by 17. So children, I hope you had extra knowledge on how to solve the questions based upon fractions. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit like. If you have any comments and queries, please do comment it on our comment box. Okay, thank you so much for watching.